Be prepared, Dylan the hacker. You're about to get roasted. Diss track style. This is Diss Track 101. Dylan the hacker, by the time I'm finished with you, your YouTubing days are gonna be done. You like to diss on other YouTubers? Well, I think you just do it to be fun. You only do it for attention, to get some subscribers. You better give up while you're ahead, son. Dylan the hacker? More like Dylan the hack. One person you like to diss and hate on a lot is PewDiePie. Well, I reckon he's a decent guy. You only diss him because you're jealous because he's got more viewers than you. Why don't you do everyone else a favor and just shut the fuck up? Dylan the hacker, you're a joke. You know that. Do everyone a favor, delete your channel, stop hacking other YouTubers and dissing them, and get some anger management. And diss track. Dylan the hacker, more like Dylan the hack, he disses on other YouTubers. Like, how very dare he? Like, when he disses on PewDiePie, doesn't he realize that PewDiePie has more YouTubers, subscribers than what he does? He only does it for attention and to get more subscribers. Like, seriously, how very dare he? And, well, most of his YouTube content is like pranking, people. That's not entertainment, that's just a joke. And you've just become a punchline for one of my jokes. So, what do you got to say about that, Dylan? Oh, and by the way, hacking is illegal. Like, hello? I had a student in my class, Corey Phillips, and he used to think it was fun hacking other people's computers, especially when they're trying to get work done. Now, when Dylan the hacker is not hacking other people's computers, he's hacking their dreams by tearing them down and making them feel bad about themselves. Well, how does it feel to have the shoe on the other foot, Dylan? Well, congratulations, Dylan the hacker, you've just been roasted. Well, I'm in Moffat, and you've just witnessed one hell of a YouTuber roast. And as for PewDiePie, or should I say Felix, congratulations on so many subscribers. Maybe you could give me some pointers on how to do some more entertaining YouTuber videos. But on the meantime, this is Ian Moffat signing off. Peace out. You know what to do alright by now. Hit the like button, hit subscribe, and leave a comment down below. And be sure to visit my social media pages. I'm on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat, and also Tumblr. Thanks for watching. Adios, amigos.